Coming to you from Ripley Tools, today we will show you the utility tool US10 chamfer tool. The tool chamfers the edge of underground cables for use in elbow joints and protective boots. The size ranges from 12.7 to 60 millimeters diameter or from 0.5 to 2.36 inches diameter. The tool features a speed release mechanism for quick size adjustments on the fly. It also features a factory set tool steel blade for precision and durability. It has low friction surfaces to reduce drag on the cable, an integrated stop, and features a sturdy and stable design. To use this tool, drop it on the cable and tighten the knob until the tool is snug. It should be very stable on the cable. Following the arrow on the tool, rotate around the cable with forward pressure until the cut terminates. You can see the cut quality is smooth and consistent. This tool also works on EPR insulation. This concludes our overview of the utility tool US10 chamfer tool. Thanks for watching.